All right, hi. Sorry, my phone didn't have a good camera. I'm in the airport. I'm coming back to Toronto today.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's happening today? Well, I went to the retreat, to the class, which was a very, very advanced class. It was awesome. And I had about 10 days after the retreat to get adjust, but now I'm going back home and I'm a little bit afraid. Am I going to be able to keep the same standard that I had in the past 3 weeks? As an example, I was eating organics, exercising an hour and a half every day, and talking with people. And I'm excited to get into action, but I have to go to my grandfather's funeral as soon as I come back. So yeah, it's a little bit what's happening. A mix of eagerness and excitement and scare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you're done with the workshop, life becomes hard again?
Yes. Because everything was cool there. I was in my space and everything was great.
And can you not create your own space when you get home?
Maybe, I don't know. I could.
So is that a
I
yes?
have, if what?
That's a yes?
If I can create or no?
If you can create your own space when you get home.
I don't know.
Do you
I
have
would
your
love
own
to.
space when you get home?
I have a room, but
Okay.
I'm living in a place where it's a little bit like there's different energy. It's really not like the same type than me.
Okay.
Yeah, when I left 3 weeks ago, I was thinking, I'm like, oh my God, am I ever going to be able to come back here?
And here's the thing is that you're creating this belief that the ideal energies and the ideal situations are when you leave home.
Yeah.
Right? So you're creating your reality as you go. You can create a wonderful space for yourself at home. When you
I
set
could.
an intention that that's what you're going to do, you can either end up creating that space that you have as an amazing place to be in, or because you've got that intention set, you could end up moving to a much better space where you're like, this is what I was looking for.
Yeah.
But you have to make that decision that you're going to create that space for yourself here, and it doesn't just exist when you go away for a workshop.
Yeah. Create my space, create my contact, create a relationship I want to be in.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you willing to destroy the belief that the space you crave only exists when you leave for workshops and events?
Yeah.
Is that a real yes?
Yes. Isn't that no?
Starting to become real yes. The first one was like, yeah, okay, whatever. So,
Yeah, I guess I have to believe that I'm into my space when I travel. And I want to create that home. And it's been like, I haven't made it easy for myself to be at one place.
yeah. But you think about it, you want your favorite space to be the space when you're home.
Yeah.
You spend the most time there.
Yeah.
So if you're constantly making better spaces when you leave and you go traveling, you either want to create a life where you're only traveling, or you want to change that belief so that you can have an amazing time when you're home.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
Okay. So which would you prefer?
A little bit of both, but that my
Okay.
base would be home, yes.
Good.
And I create a space to travel.
Okay. So
Yeah.
are you willing to destroy the belief Ooh, excuse me. Are you willing to destroy the belief that you can't create the space you love at home?
Yes. That yes, okay. Mm.
Ooh.
Oh. There's another one that came up though.
Okay.
It's that I need to be surrounded by people doing the same thing than me to succeed. And
Yeah,
I'm
certainly
sure I
helps.
can do it remotely. with internet and stuff. But yeah, it's there.
So,
Problem.
yeah, that's moving.
Yeah. Mm.
So, are you willing to step out of the story that you don't attract the people
Oh,
that you need to succeed?
yes. Oh, there's still something stuck here.
Yeah.
And it's like my relationship only evolve when I go away.
Okay. So, you mean your romantic relationships?
Yes, my committed romantic relationship.
Okay. So, are you willing to step out of the story that you only have romantic relationships when you leave? Go away.
Oh, there's that too. Yes, sure. Yes. And that it cannot evolve if I'm not away. I guess I believe that I have too much control on my relationship, and I don't like that.
You have too much fun in your relationships?
Yes, it's like I love things to be a certain way, and I'm afraid I have control over it. And because I do that, I don't let him develop himself. I have this belief. It's not true, but I
Wow,
do.
you're so powerful. That's not at all ego, is it?
No. Well, that's a good one to find out.
So, are you willing to destroy the belief that you always overwhelm your partners?
Yes, totally.
Whew.
Yeah,
Okay, how's that feel?
I'm still lightheaded.
Okay, we're moving some stuff. Yeah,
That's so good.
okay.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, this is Shiraz. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. And you can check out upcoming events at www.energeticmagic.com. And remember, be well, be aware, and be magical.